guys. Lots of people, they are busy get some what's that? Box. Yeah, this one all over entire Misamis Oriental and Cagayan de Oro City. We're gonna put their what's the garbages here, this area. Look guys, lots of garbages here. You're gonna put it together. Yeah, you're gonna collect all Misamis Oriental and Cagayan de Oro cities here, and they're gonna recycle it. Look guys, at the area have lots of garbages also, but they gonna recycle it all. Yeah, because of lots of